Telegram account without phone number. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can solve Telegram account without phone number, or maybe use Telegram without phone number. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you have got your Telegram application here and then you would like to use Telegram, but you can see the very first thing it asks me to do is to simply only use my phone number. So possibly I can't start using Telegram without having a phone number. But don't worry, if you don't have a phone number which is a real phone number so that you can get the code, you can still try to create Telegram with a virtual phone number. And there are dozens of websites and services that does allow you to do this. They're completely legal, so it's not that it is not illegal. They're completely legal, they're free, they are paid depending upon what kind of numbers you want. You can get the virtual numbers even if you don't have a real phone number. And the good thing is that you will also get verification code in those virtual numbers, which you can then use to simply use it for Telegram if it asks you for a code, just in case. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.